How to convert HEIC to JPG on iPhone. First, create the album on Photos app to save your converted JPG images. It will make it easier to locate them after conversion. Go to Photos. Tap on Album. Tap on New Album. Give a name. Tap Done. Now open the Shortcuts app. Tap on the plus icon to create shortcut. Tap Search for apps and actions to the bottom of the screen. Search Select Photos. Then tap to select. Afterward, expand the Select Photo action. Then toggle on the switch next to Select Multiple. Tap Search for apps and action again. Search Convert Image. Then tap to select. Make sure it's selected as JPG. If you want to convert into HEIC, then change into HEIF. Expand the action and confirm that the switch next to Preserve Metadata turned on. Tap Search for apps and actions once more. Search Save to Photo Album. Then tap to select. Tap on Recent and change the location into the new album from the pop-up list. If you don't want to save the photos to any particular album, simply leave the action as it is. Finally, name the shortcut. Then go back. Let's run the shortcut now. Select a HEIF format photo. Then tap Add. Done. Let's see if it works. It works perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.